Welcome back, everyone. We have some medical coverage for you this morning to address with Mercy Dr. Barbara Bumberry. How are you? Good morning.
I'm good.
All right, and we can kind of see on the screen right there a little friend right here, right?
Yeah.
This is Murphy, you said?
Murphy, he's 2.5.
How are you, bud? You're a little shy, right?
He's a little camera shy this morning.
That's no problem. We're actually here, though, to discuss some of the health risks associated with pets. Allergies, of course, a big thing. Of course, you want to get your allergies checked and such, but you listed some of these things I had never heard of before. Can we do some common things that we might need to watch out for, especially now during holiday time, because people might have a lot of guests over?
Yeah, so 61% of the world's bacteria are zoonotic, means we can get them from animals.
Really?
And humans can get them. And so there's some that are a little bit more common. For instance, scabies is a mite that gets under the skin that you typically get from the soil or from other people that have scabies. But you can also get it from animals, primarily dogs. Cats usually don't get it. It's usually easily treated with the topical cream. There's ringworm, which is a skin infection that causes round, itchy patches.
I feel like that one's pretty common, right?
It is.
That you hear about?
Again, more often you get it from other people that have scabies or from like working in the soil, but you can get it especially from cats.
Really? Okay.
Then
Important
there's
to note.
Toxoplasmosis.
I had trouble even saying that word.
Yeah, toxoplasmosis. So for most people, if they're infected with it, it just causes flu-like symptoms.
Okay.
But for pregnant women, it can be harmful in that it can cause miscarriages. It can cause birth defects in the child.
Really?
So it's typically through either eating uncooked or undercooked meat or through the soil, but you can get it through a cat's litter box. So if you have a household with a pregnant woman, ideally you have somebody else changing the litter. But if that's not a possibility, then she needs to wear gloves when she's changing the litter box. And if you change it every day, that will usually decrease your risk. And then also,
there's some others though too, right?
If you want to avoid undercooked meat, so sushi's probably not a good thing while you're pregnant.
Yeah.
But primarily for pregnant women, let somebody else change the litter box.
Okay, very nice. Anything else that we should be watching out for and symptoms of these things?
With toxo, like I said, usually it's going to be self-limited, so flu-like symptoms.
Yeah.
Usually for most of us, it's not going to be too severe.
Now, we're talking, these are typically a lot of dogs and cats sort of things, because that obviously the most common pet that you have there.
Right.
Yeah.
There's also salmonella. Salmonella is an infection that you sometimes get from food.
Undercooked food. Yeah.
But you can also get it from certain animals, your amphibians, reptiles like lizards, snakes, frogs, also chickens. So if you have backyard chickens, those can be carriers of salmonella. So you want to make sure you keep them out of the areas where you prepare your food, like in the kitchen, keep them out of the bathroom. You don't want to clean their equipment in the same areas where you clean the food.
Important to note for our rural viewers there. Thank you very much, Doctor. We appreciate you coming on. And thank you, Murphy, all right?
Yeah.
Daybreak and 10 is up next. Stay with us.